Today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer Parmesan broccoli. It's really easy to make, takes no time at all, and you get this lovely golden, crispy, cheesy and Parmesan infused broccoli that's just super easy and simple to put together. And I've got the blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and everything you need to make this easy recipe, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this recipe a try, what you think of it, and also other air fryer recipes you'd like me to share. So let me show you how to make it. I've got a beautiful whole head of broccoli here, and I'm just going to chop it into bite-sized florets, just like that. And now we'll move it into a large bowl. Now that the broccoli is in a bowl, it's up to you, your seasoning, your oil of choice, whatever you'd like. I am using this olive oil spray as my olive oil. We've recently moved here and I haven't bought a bottle of olive oil yet, but you can very easily drizzle over a few tablespoons of olive oil, or as I'm doing, give a good few sprays of olive oil, and we're just going to give it a good few sprays of olive oil and then toss it all around. I've added on salt. You could add salt, pepper, and any seasoning you'd like to taste, and give it all a good toss through before we add in the Parmesan. Then it's just a matter of shaking over as much Parmesan as you'd like. You can use freshly grated Parmesan or from a bag as I'm using, and just use as much as you like, and then we'll give it a good final toss through. Perfect. Let's move it to the tray now. So I've got my broccoli laid out almost single layer in my tray. I've got a slightly different type of air fryer. It looks more like an oven, and mine just has air fryer function over there and a timer. So the temperature wise, you might want to pop it at 200 degrees. They're nice to cook nice and hot, but adjust it accordingly. If yours is like mine and doesn't have a temperature gauge, just pop it onto the air fryer mode, get it nice and hot. I've got it preheating over there, making lots of ticking and noise, and then in a little bit we'll just pop it into the air fryer. But if you've got one with trays, you can use, instead of using a tray like I've done, I could have put it down on parchment paper in here, but I just find it much nicer and cleaner and easier to do in a tray like this. It might mean it needs a little bit more tossing, a little bit more cooking, but I've been cooking with my air fryer for about a month or so now, and I've kind of learned this is the way that works well. So this is what I do, but adjust accordingly. If you have one of those air fryers with drawers, you might want to just pop it straight in the drawers or in a liner in drawers so it's less mess. It is up to you, but I am going to pop it into my air fryer in a minute, and the cooking time again will depend on your air fryer. I like to do mine for 5 minutes at a time. 5 minutes toss, 5 minutes toss. It might be ready after 10. It might need another 5 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. You could also have used frozen broccoli in this, in which case you might need to add another 5 minutes. If yours goes to 200 degrees and you're cooking it nice and hot, maybe go for 4 minutes aside. Go in for 4 minutes, toss it, do another 4. Might be ready after 8, might need more. Depends if you'd like it more al dente or more crispy. But I'm going to stop talking now and get my broccoli into my air fryer and show you what it looks like after 5 minutes in my air fryer. The broccoli have been in the air fryer for the first 5 minutes, and they're starting to look nice and bright, and it's just a matter of now tossing everything over so that it cooks evenly, and then pop it back in the air fryer for a further 5 minutes. Toss again, and if you want to do it for another 5 minutes you can. If it's ready after 10 or less, then it is done perfectly. It is up to you, but I'm gonna toss these, pop them back in the air fryer, and show after the next 5 or total 10-minute cooking time. They've had a further 5 minutes, 10 minutes in total in my air fryer, but I think it's a lot cooler than other air fryers, so give it a good toss and return for another 5 minutes. But yours might be crisp and golden, or you might like them like this, a little more al dente. It is up to you, but I'm going to pop them back in for another 5 minutes. And there you go, the broccoli is lovely and golden. As you can smell the lovely Parmesan. It's lovely and crispy there too, in bits from that lovely Parmesan. But that is the video for today for how to make air fried golden Parmesan broccoli. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Let me know other air fry recipes you'd like me to share with you. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.